Today I'm going to be doing a review on a Batman fidget spinner, and basically, it spins in the middle and fits in your hand. And let's see if I can, basically it's what it does. You just hold it in your hand and you spin it. Basically a time waster. It gives you something to do when you're just, instead of fiddling with your car keys or whatever. And you can basically, balance it on one finger. And that's it. It's just a simple fidget spinner. Retails for, I think it's $5. It's got some writing on it right there. Says made in China, and that's it. It's basically a fidget spinner. That's my review. That's fun.